So we're out here in northern Arizona. My buddy Deacon has a cow elk tag. Got out of the truck, heard bugles almost immediately. Started chasing them because we knew there'd be cows with them. Got within 300 yards of some cows on the other side of this canyon. Steve got 2 shots off. I know one definitely hit him, and I think both did actually, because after his first shot, the cow looked stunned, and then it moved like a couple yards and became completely broadside in the sun, and I saw blood splatter everywhere, so it's got to be a good thing. Dave and Deacon are over there. Gonna go track it, see if they can look for blood. I'm getting the truck, and I'm gonna meet them all the way around on another ridge top, and then walk down, and we'll hopefully they have an elk down by the time I get over there. Adam Musco, what do you think? Twizzlers are necessary.
Time to get bloody.
Look at that fucking monster.
Big?
Yeah, dude. Holy shit, that's a big one. Oh, you drilled him good.
That's a
her
long
point
shot.
that thing. That's perfect.
Long shot?
That's a fucking big one, dude.
I picked him up, there's blood on the other side.
Right on.
Alright, want to get some pictures?
Yeah. We're gonna get it up from these trees if we can.
Lay it over here? Or get it
Yeah, just anywhere,
Alright, well,
not in the trees.
recording film.
I think Steve, can you hold this? I know you can.
Yes.
Just hold that right like that.
Yeah.
Is it the back leg you got?
Yeah, I'm doing the Lord's work here. Oh, fuck, this is gonna be...
I might need to give you a hand up instead of recording.
I'm gonna need... Here.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. All right, let's get going. Go in light, come out heavy. Fuck yeah. Dave, are you enjoying yourself or what?
Wow, this is like the most fun I've had.
Can you give me a smile? Cheese. Well, we're making our final trip out of here. Last descent up the hill. Deacon's ahead of me. Making his way back.